Hey everyone, my name is Danielle and I'm about to do a Marley Twist tutorial. So I've had my hair in Marley Twist for about, I want to say 5 weeks, and I'm ready to take it out, but I figured why not do a tutorial. Yeah. So here's my hair. I did it myself. It took me a long time. Like, I know a lot of people say it takes about 5 hours. I've heard that a lot, but it took me like the whole day. I would say 10 hours. So yeah, I mean, maybe everybody's different, but it took me a while. I'll take my braid out so all of you can see. But yeah, my edges look real rough, but I'll do a few over to show you how I did it. I'm just ready to take it out at this point. Wash my scalp. So the hair I bought, it was Bobbi Boss hair. It cost about $6 a pack, and I want to say I bought 7 packs, but I only used 6. And yeah, so here's my hair. I'll turn around again. And the length, let's see, I would say, I don't know, it's up to my hips, so hip length, 10 hours. But yeah, the way I parted it, I would say I tried to do the upside down U, but then as I got towards the front, I realized it wasn't working out. So I ended up doing squares as I came closer to the front. And some of them aren't even squares, they're more like hexagons. But yeah, so let me show you how I do a twist. I'll take this one out for you guys so you can see. So like I said, this is Bobbi Boss hair. I got it for $6 at my local beauty supply store, and I'm in New York City. So yeah, I took 2 strips of hair from the pack, and I separated it like this, you know, to loosen it a little bit so that the Marley twist doesn't end up too tiny, but it still has like some width to it. So separate the hair a little bit, and then you have your part. So let me take my glasses off. Right here is my part. Yeah, as you can see, it's a square. So what I'm gonna do is, I have a whole bunch of buildup. This is exactly why I'm washing my hair. I feel like my twists don't look too bad, but it's been in for a while and my hair needs to get washed. Okay, so you have your part, you see, and you're gonna split it into 2. So here's my 2 parts. Now you're gonna take the hair and even it out on both ends. And what I did also is I tried to I forgot what they call it, I guess feather it, so that like the beginning portion is thick but then it thins out towards the end. So what you would do is just take 2 pieces and don't align them right in the middle, but kind of like offset them a little bit, and then it'll end up looking like this. That way the whole part is not thick all the way through. So grab it from the middle, and you're gonna place the middle in the middle of your 2 pieces of hair. And so this is my left hand. I'm gonna take this hand and I'm going to twist in So I'm going to twist clockwise, grabbing both my hair and the Marley hair. So you're gonna, with your right hand, like hold the Marley hair in the middle, and with your left hand, you're gonna grab your hair and the Marley hair and twist. Still holding the hair in the middle. Twist, keep twisting, and try to hold the twist with your index finger on your right hand as you're twisting to hold the twist in place so that it doesn't unravel. So keep twisting, keep twisting, keep twisting, and eventually you're gonna feel your hair tighten up, and that's how you kind of know it's ready. The other side is ready to be twisted too. So I don't know if you guys can see that. Right. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, my hair is pretty tight on it. A lot of other people usually twist this side also, but I learned from Beauty Can Braid that you don't have to do that. As long as one side is twisted tight and you still have a hold on it, all you have to do is then take that other piece that you didn't twist and put it over and begin to Marley twist. So as you turn it over, grab your hair and the other Marley piece of hair, and you're gonna, it's like a flick of the wrist type thing to get the proper twist for the Marley twist. So as you're twisting, you're gonna take this, put it over that piece that you just twisted, and twist your hand in, and keep doing that to get the twist. Twist, twist in, twist in, twist in. So I'm gonna go all the way down. Let's see, close up. There you go. You see how it's like forming the actual Marley twist now? It's because of the form that you're twisting your wrist in. Originally, when I tried to do Marley twists, I wasn't twisting my wrist in, and the Marley twist would come out looking horrible. But what I learned is you have to twist your wrist in order for the twist to look good and for it to stay in place without your hair showing through. So keep twisting, twist in, switch, twist in. So I'm all the way at the end now. Basically, I just kind of like twisted around my finger and let it go. And here's my Marley twist. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me zoom in. Okay. But yeah, here's my twist. As you can see, it's pretty tight on my root, and it's pretty consistent all the way down. And in order to get it consistent, what you want to do is make sure your wrist motion is also consistent. That's the way it'll come out like this. If you're not consistent with it, then it's not gonna look neat. I'm gonna do another one. Okay, so you have the Marley hair. I have 2 pieces of Marley hair from the pack, and I got it to thin out towards the end. But what you want to do is space it out a little bit so that the Marley twist doesn't end up looking too tiny. This gives you a thicker twist when you space it out. All I'm doing is taking my fingers and literally just stretching the hair apart. Okay, so here's the hair, 2 pieces. You're gonna get your part wherever you parted your hair. Within that part, split that in half to make 2 pieces. As I said, my hair is dirty, and I'm just doing this before I take all of my twists out, because I've had it in for 5 weeks and it's time for a wash. But yeah. Oh, by the way, I'm 4C. Where all my 4C girls at? it's a tough life out here, but yeah. So I wish I had nice loose curls, but hey, work with what you got. So yeah, I split this in half. Take your part, split it in half. Then you're gonna take the hair from the middle, so make sure the ends are even. And now place that middle piece in the middle of your two parts, your two pieces of hair. So I'm gonna place it right here. And now this is my right hand holding the Marley hair in the middle. And then I'm gonna take my left hand and just start twisting in. So I'm gonna twist this way, this way, this way. So I'm twisting clockwise with my left hand. So take the Marley hair and your hair together, and from the middle you're gonna start twisting as get a firm grip on it. Holding down with my right hand, take your left hand, grab both your hair and Marley hair, and start twisting from the root, still holding down Marley hair in the middle. So twist, 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 twist. Once you feel like it's tight enough, you see that? Once you feel like it's tight enough, you can then take this piece, which is loose, it's not twisted yet. Then you're gonna flip it over, still holding the twist. Like, make sure you get a firm grip so that this twist doesn't come out. Throw it over, and now the same twist that you did with your left hand, you're gonna do it again with that new piece of hair. Twist in as tight as you can. Switch, twist in, switch, twist in, switch, twist in. Some of y'all might be wondering why my hair is so shiny. To moisturize my hair, I use coconut oil and water. So literally just spritz water with a spray bottle. I just get regular tap water, like lukewarm, more on the cold side. But yeah, I spritz my hair in between, not the Marley hair directly, but I would say I spritz my scalp. So I spritz my scalp, and then I just scoop out some coconut oil from the jar and just massage it into my scalp. The hair is becoming uneven, so this is like a little bit longer than this. I'm gonna take part of it and borrow, just twist it over to this side. Yep, it's unraveling, but yeah, and just keep twisting. This is a twist. So this is kind of how loose it was before, and now this is it. I feel like I'm not in focus. Right here, yeah. This is my twist. I don't even know where my hair ends on this. Probably around here somewhere. But as long as you twist tight, you shouldn't be able to see your hair. Because I know that's one thing I see a lot of girls struggle with, is like, you can tell where their hair is coming out. But as long as you have that wrist motion, the flick of the wrist, I'm telling you, that's what gives you a Marley twist. This is called invisible root method. I don't braid it because I don't think that looks good. So I figured out how to do the invisible root method. After you would twist your hair, sometimes like it comes out a little jagged. These didn't really come out jagged, but if you don't really have the twist motion correctly, you can just, when you are ready to seal your hair, boil some hot water. After you boil hot water, dip your ends in it, the whole thing, as far as you can go, and grab a towel and just drain all the water out, and it will come out straight, I promise you. Okay guys, like I said, I'm about to take this out. Look at this, my widow's peak is all out. But thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. I'm here to answer your questions. This is my first video, by the way. Also, I want to say I have my own web series called Auburn Hills. You can follow it on YouTube also at Auburn Hills TV. And I have 2 episodes out right now. And yeah, support me. Thank you all for listening and watching. Share, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks. Bye guys.